ByteDance just sold its biggest gaming studio to Saudi Arabia for over $6 billion. Xiaomi's new electric sedan sold 15,000 units in just 34 minutes. A Chinese automaker built a sodium-ion battery that charges in 11 minutes. And a Chinese autonomous driving company just launched Europe's first national-level self-driving project. This is China Tech Insider. ByteDance has reached a final agreement to sell its gaming unit Moonton to Savvy Games Group, a subsidiary of Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, for more than $6 billion. Moonton is the developer of Mobile Legends Bang Bang, one of the most popular mobile games in Southeast Asia. ByteDance acquired them back in 2021. This deal marks ByteDance's complete exit from core gaming, signaling a major strategic pivot back to its strengths in AI and short-form video. For Saudi Arabia, this is a fast track into Asia's gaming market. Mobile Legends has dominated Southeast Asia's esports scene for years. Industry analysts see this as ByteDance clearing the decks to go all in on artificial intelligence, while the Saudis continue building one of the world's largest gaming portfolios. Xiaomi launched the updated SU7 electric sedan last night, and it received 15,000 non-refundable orders within 34 minutes. The 2026 model starts at about $32,000 and introduces what Xiaomi calls the Dragon chassis. All variants now come standard with LiDAR, 4D mm-wave radar, and NVIDIA's Thor-U compute platform delivering 700 teraops for their autonomous driving system. The Pro version offers a range of 902 kilometers on a single charge. Test drivers are calling it the Apple car that Apple never built. Xiaomi has gone big on safety too, using 2,200 megapascal high-strength steel, which they claim is the hardest in the industry. The city driving autonomous features support parking space to parking space navigation. For a company that was making phones just 2 years ago, these numbers are staggering. BAIC has completed development of a sodium-ion battery that can fully charge in just 11 minutes. The battery achieves an energy density of 170 watt-hours per kilogram and supports 4C fast charging. But here's where it gets interesting for cold climates. It operates from -40 to +60 degrees Celsius, retaining over 92% of its energy at -20 degrees. That's a game changer for northern markets where lithium batteries struggle. Safety testing showed the battery can withstand overcharging to 200% state of charge without fire or explosion. BAIC has filed 20 patents covering materials, design, and manufacturing. This is part of their Aurora battery program, which now spans lithium-ion, solid-state, and sodium-ion chemistries. No vehicle launch date yet, but with CATL and Chang'an already putting sodium-ion EVs on the road, the race is accelerating. Chinese autonomous driving company QCraft has closed a $100 million Series D funding round. The proceeds will fund what they're calling general physical AI, particularly world models and reinforcement learning for robotaxis and driverless logistics. Craft's CEO says 2026 marks a critical inflection point where AI transitions from human-like intelligence towards superhuman capabilities. He believes the greatest opportunities over the next 5 to 10 years lie in the physical world, making autonomous driving a key gateway to physical AI. Backers include a leading domestic automaker and several strategic investors in automotive electronics. QCraft is positioning itself at the intersection of autonomous vehicles and broader AI applications, betting that the skills needed to drive cars will unlock capabilities far beyond transportation. Geely's brand Lynk & Co. has revealed official images of the 10 Plus, a high-performance electric sedan with a combined output of 912 horsepower. The car features a massive rear spoiler, sporty bumpers, semi-hidden door handles, and a rooftop LiDAR sensor. Dimensions put it at just over 5 meters long with a wheelbase of 3 meters. This is the performance variant of the updated Lynk & Co. 10, which replaces the Z10 launched last year. The 10 Plus rides on 21-inch wheels and has both a ducktail and a mounted spoiler on the trunk. Specific battery and range details haven't been released yet, but with 912 horsepower on tap, this is clearly targeting the high-performance EV segment that companies like Porsche and Tesla have dominated. Chinese autonomous driving company WeRide has partnered with Elevate Slovakia to launch the country's first national-level autonomous driving project. This makes Slovakia WeRide's fourth European market after France, Belgium, and Switzerland, expanding their global footprint to 12 countries and more than 40 cities. Elevate Slovakia brings together the Ministry of Transport, the Ministry of Investments, the city of Bratislava, Slovak Post, and several universities. The goal is building a safe, compliant, and sustainable autonomous mobility system at the national level. This is Europe's first large-scale, multi-product autonomous driving program backed at the national level. WeRide is listed on both Nasdaq and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, giving them the capital to pursue these ambitious international expansions while China's domestic market matures. That's your China tech update for March 23. ByteDance going all in on AI by exiting gaming. Xiaomi's EV sales exploding. Sodium-ion batteries getting closer to prime time. And Chinese autonomous driving spreading across Europe. Subscribe for daily updates on the technology reshaping the world. I'm your host, and I'll see you tomorrow.